You're welcome to Goki Tech. So previously we've done our test manipulation in how we can view our file, blah blah blah. So today we are going to be talking about test network analysis, where I'll be sharing you your IP address and some other things. So first, if you want to see your IP address, so we are still in the process of learning our operating system. So you can just use this command ifconfig. You can see this is my IP address. So you can see this is my IP address 19172.16.114. So this is the subnet mask. This is the subnet mask. So this is also the broadcast. So I will just tell you briefly. So with this is what you understand. This is what maybe your computer wants to talk outside your network. This is what this is the IP address. This IP address is what you will use to talk to other computers. So just take it that way. That oh, if your computer wants to talk outside, it wants to go to the internet, this is what you will use. Now, this is in a subnet mask. So with this, you can be able to tell what kind of class of IP that your computer is using. Now, with this, you can see that your computer is using a class A IP address. We have class A, class B, class C, different classes. So, but I won't discuss that in this video because I will get you confused. So, because we are just with the purpose of we is trying to learn our operating system. So, talking more about the classes and the IP address will be out of the scope of this teaching. So, but in the nearest later, I'm going to teach you all these things. All these things I've been promising you. I'm promise you I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know because it's very, very necessary for you as a network worker. So this is the broadcast. So if you want to send a bunch of message, this is what they will use. So just like when you want to talk to everybody at the same time, your computer wants to talk to everybody at the same time. So this is what you will use to talk to everybody at the same time. Don't worry, everything will be clearly explained to you. Here I didn't mention this. So this ET0 and ETH0, it means the network interface. So from this, you can know that this is a wired network interface. Do you understand? It's a wired network interface. So don't worry, just grab it as we are flowing. Okay, this one here is your MAC address, media access control. So this one is your computer. Maybe your computer wants to talk to there's what we call network. Your computer wants to talk to other devices that is on same network with it. This is what you will use to talk to them. You understand? So this is within same network. So maybe one time I'm going to create a channel and teach you the OSI model. You know the layers of how these devices communicate up to the application level. You understand? So, but this for now, just grab this that you understand so that your laptop will be using your phone data. So, the communication of the phone and the laptop, this is the what you will use. This is the MAC address. Then, if you want to talk outside just phone and if you want to talk outside just phone and your laptop, because your phone and laptop is on the same network. So if you want to talk outside your network, this is what you will now use. This is what you will now use, which is this 170.16.126. So another one here, 127. Another thing I need to let you know here, 127.0. So this is your local IP address. They call it local host. So this is what it's just like this IP address, but the only difference is that this one can connect to the computer to the internet. That is called a loopback. A loopback means that it is what the computer itself used to talk to himself. Maybe the computer wants to talk to himself, the computer wants to connect to the browser to himself. This is what he uses to connect to. You understand? This is what he used to generally to talk to, you know, the computer itself. And if you are sending anything via the internet, this is what also it will use. So this is just like the local host, meaning that it's within, also like it's within your network, but it's just basically is what, you know it just basically what communicates with himself. So this is just the let me just end this video here. I don't want the video to be too long. You know, I just want you to get the whole scenario of what this. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can, you know, change your IP address manually. And this following video will be talking about how you can also use the ACP server to change it, automatically, and also how we can dig a URL, maybe seal the kind of mail server the that is connected to that URL, or also where that URL is connected to, the server that particular URL is connected to. So you will see you see the name of the server that URL is being hosted. Thank you very much for today. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, click the notification bell. Please, we really need to grow this channel. Thank you very much.